Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram blocked channels iOS on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down, we will click here on apps and we come here to apps window and we will just go down here to looking for Telegram app here and this is window or go to find Telegram and we will click here on Telegram, then we come here to this is window. We will click here on for stop. Then we will click here on OK, and we will click here on storage. Then we come here to storage window. We will click here on clear cache. Then we will click here on manage storage, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. That's all now. I wish you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.